Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a second sprite and check to see if we're touching that sprite. So in an earlier video I showed how to move a sprite by using the arrows. So right now I'm using the left and right arrows. So now I'm going to add another sprite. So down here you can add a sprite. You can actually choose to add a random sprite. So this is surprise. So I'm just going to click this surprise, and this is a fortune cookie. So we're going to check to see if the cat touches the fortune cookie. So when I click on the cat, you can see that the code appears. When I click on the fortune cookie, there's no code. So it's actually no code applied to the fortune cookie, and that's okay for now. Right now we're just going to check to see if the cat touches the fortune cookie. So I'm going to use another if statement, and I'm going to check, I'm going to use the sensing. So if it's touching, and then I have options here. If it's touching the fortune cookie, so Scratch has already named the fortune cookie for us. So we could actually just go right here and change the sprite. We can call this cat, just so that now we have fortune cookie and cat. So if we're touching the fortune cookie, we are going to say something. So I'm just going to say yum. Okay, so now if I go, the cat will say yum for 2 seconds. Now because I'm overlapping it, it's going to keep saying that. So I'm just going to use the mouse to override the key presses. And then actually in here, I'm going to check to see if I'm touching the cat. So when I start the program, I'm going to show this, and then if I'm touching the cat, I'm going to disappear. Now there could be an issue with this because the cat's code may run first, so it might say yum first, and then the fortune cookie will disappear. But we will see, and there's no way of really knowing. So if it's touching the cat, then we're going to go to looks and we're going to hide. Okay, so let's see what happens here. I'm going to run this. It says yum. So in that case, the fortune cookie disappeared. If we did this 100 times, you might get half and half. It's just hard to tell. And that's, we don't need to figure out what's going to happen first, but that is a thing where this code might happen first, and then in the fortune cookie, then it will disappear. Okay, good luck.